and this particular guy, he literally hit me. जब से मैं छोटी थी तब से she has been insanely toxic, ranking everyone based on their skin color, and इतना pick me behavior, इतना ज़्यादा embarrassing behavior I have literally never seen. I'm super grateful for the friends that I have right now, but हमेशा से मेरे इतने अच्छे friends नहीं थे, and I had some really pathetic experiences in friendship, and today I'll tell you all about one of the most toxic friends that I've had. Okay, I won't name drop anybody, so let's just create a name for this person. So I would like to call this girl Ghia for this video, क्योंकि मैं उसका actual name तो नहीं ले सकती हूँ, and Ghia इसीलिए क्योंकि मुझे घिया की सब्जी बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद है. ठीक है, तो let me start with how I became friends with this girl. Just for context, I have been friends with Ghia 6 साल से. Okay, मतलब 6 साल तक I was friends with her. Only then I cut her off like पूरा अच्छे से. मतलब जब से मैं छोटी थी तब से I was friends with her, and जब से मैं छोटी थी तब से she has been insanely toxic. And अब मैं तुम्हें बताऊंगी आगे वीडियो में कैसे. And I think ये सुनकर तुम्हारा भी दिमाग सोचेगा कि मतलब how can a person even be like this? Okay, yeah. So फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, जब मैं अपनी सोसाइटी में आई थी जिसमें मैं अभी रहती हूँ, आई वॉज फ्रेंड्स विद लाइक 2 लोग ओनली, क्योंकि मैं उन 2 लोगों को पहले से ही जानती थी, क्योंकि मैं जिस स्कूल में पढ़ती थी वो लोग भी उसी स्कूल में थे. सो या उनके थ्रू मेरे उनके पूरे फ्रेंड ग्रुप से फ्रेंडशिप हुई, तुम कह सकते हो. एंड घिया वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट फ्रेंड ग्रुप, एंड आई डिड नॉट नो एट दैट टाइम दैट घिया वुड बी माई फ्रेंड फॉर 6 more years, 6 dreadful years, just to say. So yeah, जब हम छोटे थे बिल्कुल, like when I first came into the society, I think I came here in 2016. So yeah, उस बात को literally 10 साल हो चुके हैं, and I think it has been like 3 years since I cut off घिया from my life for good. So तब से घिया मेरी दोस्त थी, but जो मेरा पहला साल था सोसाइटी में, तब से I never like actually liked Ghia, and I have always like felt that something is seriously very wrong with this girl, and now you will get to know why. So when I was small, मेरा complexion was और भी ज़्यादा dark, like जितना अब है उससे भी it was very dark, and even though I embrace it a lot right now and I love my golden brown skin color, back then I developed a huge insecurity like about my skin color, and इस insecurity का एक major reason was this girl. She used to literally like see सबके हाथ like ऐसे करके, and she used to like rate कि सबसे गोरा इसका हाथ है, उसके बाद ऐसे ऐसे करके, and she used to literally like do that in front of like all like the entire friend group. Oh my god, this particular incident is literally so traumatizing. And देखो, because of this one thing, it was like ranking everyone based on their skin color. एंड हम लोग जब भी किसी बच्चे की डेन डिसाइड करते हैं, मतलब सपोज हम लोग हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे हैं, तो जौन सा बच्चा सीकर बनेगा उसको हम डिसाइड करते हैं गेम खेल के, जिसका नाम है भूकंप. ओके, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ इट और नॉट, बट या वी यूज्ड टू प्ले दिस गेम्स का नाम था भूकंप, जिसमें अपना हाथ या तो ऐसे करते थे या तो ऐसे करते थे. एंड इस घिया के कारण आई गॉट सो इनसिक्योर दैट मैंने अपना हाथ ऐसे करना ही बंद कर दिया. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज डू दिस इन दैट गेम, एंड दैट इज लिटरली सो ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग फॉर लाइक अ 7-year-old, 6-year-old टू थिंक दिस वे, कि मतलब ऐसे करके it would look weird and everybody would judge me, so I should just do ऐसे. Oh my god, I don't even know how a 6-year-old kid can be like, oh yeah, this person ये सबसे ज्यादा गोरा है, the best person, the prettiest girl ये है क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा गोरी है, and the ugliest girl ये because she has a darker complexion. This was literally peak racism. मतलब इतना तो relatives ने भी नहीं किया होगा जितना इसने कर दिया था. And oh my god, this was literally like, also I will tell you आगे चल के how I actually managed to get rid of her from my life. Like oh my god, thank god that I don't have her in my life. Ever since I cut her off, my life has been really good. Okay guys, so listen, जब हम लोग छोटे थे, she used to ask हमारे friend group के लड़के to rate हमारी friend group की लड़कियां based on how pretty the girl is, and she used to ask them to rank सारी लड़कियां, and एक ही reason था इसको करने का, ताकि दे रैंक उसको सबसे ऊपर. एंड इतना पिकमी बिहेवियर, इतना ज्यादा एम्बैरेसिंग बिहेवियर आई हैव लिटरली नेवर सीन. एंड व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल देन आल्सो आई यूज्ड टू वंडर कि yeah, I hope you understood मेरा facial expressions. This is literally disgusting, especially coming from a 6 or 7-year-old child. Like, are you okay? Genuinely, bro, what is wrong with you? Oh my god. And see, यू मस्ट थिंक कि ये मतलब बचपन में होगा, आगे चल के कैरी ऑन नहीं हुआ होगा, बट नो, इट वॉज लिटरली कैरीड ऑन कंसेक्यूटिवली हर साल, एंड इट बेसिकली इंक्रीज हर साल. ओ माई गॉड, आई एम सीरियसली सो glad, so grateful that I managed to get rid of her from my life. Okay, now let me tell you, like see, इस सब से मेरा उतना ज्यादा दिमाग खराब नहीं होता था, because I just thought कि this is her personality, and back then I was also a major people pleaser, so I just played along with all of that. But then COVID hit and we were not allowed to go नीचे because of lockdown, and उस कारण हम सब लोग बस like online ही chat करते थे, and we used to play Roblox and stuff. So ये चीज तो 2 साल चला, and उसके बाद कोविड खुल गया, so we were back नीचे and we used to go नीचे every single day and we used to play every single day. And see, बीच में we started to play basketball or something like, or we started like walking. मतलब basically हम लोग अब पूरे friend group के साथ नहीं खेलते थे, हमारा पूरा friend group like divide ही हो चुका था, and we did not really have a friend group left anymore. There were like बहुत कम लोग in our friend group, and this girl Ghia was a part of my friend group, and back then she was like my best friend. Yeah, she was like, we used to talk her दिन, we used to walk for like 1.5 घंटा her दिन. So yeah, you can say that she was my best friend. I used to tell her everything, and I'm pretty sure she also told me सब कुछ only. So yeah, and this is when I actually started to realize that I need to get rid of this girl because she is literally insane. You know, कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो एक फ्रेंड ग्रुप में होते हैं, एंड वो फ्रेंड ग्रुप के आधे लोगों से फ्रेंड ग्रुप के आधे लोगों को शिट टॉक करते हैं, एंड फिर जिन लोगों को वो उन लोगों के साथ शिट टॉक करते हैं, उन्हीं लोगों के साथ वो दूसरे लोगों को शिट टॉक करते हैं. बेसिकली दे शिट टॉक एवरी सिंगल पर्सन इन द फ्रेंड ग्रुप विद समबडी और द अदर. ठीक है, ये लड़की बिल्कुल यही काम था. मतलब when she was with me, she used to shit talk my other friends, and when I told them about this, they told me that she used to shit talk me. She basically shit talked every single person in the friend group. Like, bro, like, babe, what, why? I don't even understand, like, what's the point? I feel like female friendships are like the most, like, they're supposed to be subse pure friendships, because it's literally, there has to be no jealousy, there has to be no competition. It's just pure love and supporting one another and just getting them to achieve their dreams, right? Like, but why so much hate? Like, girl, come on. And when she used to do this, I was genuinely very pissed off, because back then I was in my self improvement era and I did not want to surround myself with any negativity, and yet I was still a people pleaser. Okay, I was not yet fully like developed to, like, yeah, cut people off, let them go, be detached, even though I should be. Okay, being detached is the best thing you can do to yourself, but back then I was not that detached, and I had been friends with her since a very long time, and like we used to walk every single day. She was like, being friends with her was comfortable for me, and suddenly cutting her off felt like a huge change. So I just decided कि जैसा चल रहा है वैसा चलने देते हैं, and let's not cut her off. Once again, great mistake. This girl started trauma dumping to me, like about हर एक छोटी से छोटी चीज. And see, एक तो होता है कि you are telling अपनी problems के बारे में, and then you're also listening अपनी friends के problems, and it's like a mutual thing, right? Like, because you're both helping each other out. But no, I started feeling like I am just listening to her problems, and I'm just giving her solutions, giving her advice to that, and when I'm talking about my problems, there's nobody to listen to that shit. But yeah, that was literally so annoying. It was so frustrating that मतलब मैं तो बस ठान लिया था कि बस कैसे भी करके इस लड़की से मुझे अपना पीछा छुड़ाना है. And yet I was still very people pleasing ki, matlab I could not be very muffat, I could not be very straightforward, I could not be very ki, yeah, I don't want to talk to you, let's stop being friends, okay, tata, bye bye. I could not be like that back then. So I just dealt with the crap she was putting me through. I felt like a dumping bag where she used to just come and tell uski problems. I used to just listen, give solution, and bus, if I was talking about my problems, she would just go mute, and then she would just go किसी और के साथ hang out करने. Bro, I didn't even understand what was going on. Okay, and things got worse when she started lying to me, like इतना, वो भी इतना बेकार तरीके से. Like, let me tell you एक incident. Okay, so एक बार I asked her, I messaged her कि नीचे आना है क्या मिलने, and she told me कि no, I can't come, मेरे like दादू जी की तबीयत खराब है or something like that, and मेरी मम्मा ने बोला कि मेरे को उनका ध्यान रखना है and all that. So I was obviously like कि यार ठीक है, that's fine, that's obviously a very genuine reason. But उसके बाद मेरे दूसरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे को बुलाने आ गए, so I went नीचे anyways. And when I go नीचे, and when I'm walking, what do I see? I see this girl is hanging out with 2 guys, and they're literally इतने बुरे लड़के, like they are pathetic. मतलब उनसे कोई बात नहीं करता हमारे फ्रेंड ग्रुप में, but she was hanging out with them. ठीक है, and let me give you थोड़ा सा और context. इनमें से एक लड़का है, he is in 12th right now, so you can see कि वो कितना बड़ा एज में, not even 12th, he's college में होगा. So you can see वो कितना बड़ा है, and this particular guy, he literally hit me with a basketball multiple times. I had like a full on physical fight with him. Okay, he literally hit me, and he's huge, just so you know. and this girl was hanging out with him. Okay, I don't know, but girl code is literally ki if your friend doesn't like a person, you're also not supposed to like them, especially if it's a genuine reason. And this girl comes up to me and she's like, oh sorry, ये लोग मुझे बुलाने आ गए, and फिर ये लोग मुझे जबरदस्ती नीचे खींच कर ले गए. And when like all of my friends, like see, we had like 4-5 girls ka ek friend group, so all of us were like very concerned with why she's hanging out with that one particular guy, because he is literally disgusting. He's abusive as hell. Like he literally hits every single person. He was like the Gian of our friend group, like quite literally the Gian of a friend group, and Gian literally had like a soft spot, but this guy did not even have that. He was literally pathetic. Okay, सो दिस गर्ल इज लाइक, मेरी मम्मी मुझे बोलती है इसके साथ हैंग आउट करने को, अगर मैं इसके साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करती हूँ तो ये मेरी मम्मी को शिकायत लगा देता है. नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट इन द वर्ल्ड दैट एक्सक्यूज इज, बट oh my god, this was insane, because first of all you're lying to me, second of all you're hanging out with these weird people. Now I don't know about any of you, but मेरा एक literally rule है friendship में कि if मेरी friend के किसी particular बंदे किसी बंदी के साथ दुश्मनी है, I also don't like them. I automatically don't like them, no questions asked. If my best friend hates somebody else, I'm also hating them. I am hating that person more than my friend. And I feel like it should be that way. Your friends' enemies should be your enemies. It should not be the other way around. So yeah, this was literally a huge turn off. Like this is literally so toxic. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. And she was like actually genuinely fully trying to gaslight me कि नहीं मेरी मम्मी को बहुत like मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांटती है अगर मैं इस पर्टिकुलर बंदे के साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करती. Now I don't know who does that. Okay, but yeah, this was literally what she said, exactly what she said कि मेरी मम्मी मुझे डांटेगी अगर मैं इसके साथ हैंग आउट नहीं करूंगी. So yeah, this was एक और बहुत ही pathetic experience. Also guys, just so you know, when we were small, she used to ask all of us to like ramp walk and like लड़कों को सामने बिठाकर ये दिखाने के लिए कि सबसे अच्छा रैंप वॉक कौन कर सकता है. And I never participated in those things, thank God, because that is literally disgusting. Especially, oh my God, it's literally इससे ज़्यादा disgusting क्या हो सकता है. And the guys are actually like rating all the girls, and I don't know why would somebody be excited for that to be put on display like a object that is literally pathetic. Like, oh my god, इससे ज़्यादा pick me behavior I have never ever seen in my life. Like I am telling you, इससे ज़्यादा I can't even find words for this. Okay, मतलब मुझे literally rage bait होता है इसके बारे में सोचकर भी कि I let myself go through experience all of that. It is literally traumatic. So yeah, ये हरकतें ये लड़की करती थी, and उसके बाद matters literally got worse. So see, now this is like recent की बात only, like I think 3-4 साल पुरानी बात, like right before I cut her off. This girl literally started straight up ignoring me, and it was like I was always asking her, do you want to meet? Do you want to come नीचे? She used to never approach me first, which is obviously a red flag. And I am sorry, I don't care about you that much that I'm always going to be asking you to meet if you are literally putting zero effort from your side. So I stopped texting her and I stopped asking her to come niche. And guess what? We did not talk for like a month. We did not talk for like 1.5 mahina. And then I sent her a message ki I see that you don't want to talk and all that. So yeah, let's just call it off. I don't want to discuss this further and all that. So yeah, we just cut off the friendship like that. And usko usne reply kiya tha, okay, I couldn't care less to give an explanation. So I was like, very mature of you, but so that was how the friendship ended. I don't really care that much about that right now, but it's literally such a funny experience to laugh on, and genuinely serious concern about how a child is itna racist and itna pick me. But okay, whatever. And उसके बाद उस particular time, like when I cut her off, I think it was like November, December, and फिर आती है होली. And होली के time she like said hi to me and all that. And if somebody is like being nice to me, I don't really be rude सामने से. So I was also like, and then we played Holi together, and basically Holi, our entire friend group was there, so we were playing Holi together. And after Holi we caught up on everything, like पुराना जो सब था. And उसके बाद 2 दिन बाद this girl approaches me and she was like, तुमने मुझे कभी sorry नहीं बोला. And I was like, sorry किस लिए? And you the one who ignored me. And she was like, तुमने मुझे कभी sorry क्यों नहीं बोला? And I was like, bro, for what? Literally for what? And उसके बाद this girl says, be right back. Guess what? Abhi tak she hasn't been back, which is literally so hilarious, because I mean I knew that she is not coming back. And yeah, because what do I say sorry for, bro? At least tell me what to say sorry for. But yeah, that was literally so damn funny. I'm so grateful that I'm not friends with these people right now. Like जब मैं छोटी थी, मेरा जो पूरा friend group था, I'm not friends with like a single person from that friend group except Sanvi. I'm sure you've seen Sanvi on my stories. Yeah, so guys, just so you know, if you have itna koi toxic person in your life, please just get rid of them. It is the best thing you can do. It is the best thing that you can do to yourself. Let me know if you want a video on how to master detachment, because it is literally the best thing you can actually do to yourself. Bhai, aise logo ke जितना तुम दूर रहो ना उतना ज्यादा अच्छा है. The people who drain your energy, the people who you have to like literally actually mentally prepare yourself to hang out with, they're not worth it, bro. Your friends are supposed to be there for you. They're supposed to help you relax and supposed to help you grow and actually achieve your dreams and guide you in the right way. Not supposed to put you into wrong things, be racist and be the pick me and crave attention like from some silly guys. Like, yeah, I would never ever put myself through that again. But yeah, this was my story. अब मेरे पास ये सब trauma है बताने के लिए, तो why not monetize on it? I hope तुम्हें मजा आया हो ये सुन के. अगर तुम्हें ऐसे और वीडियोस चाहिए, let me know in the comments and मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना. I love you all always. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.